guess where it sort of starts is back in 2012, I found myself in a situation that I didn't understand. And my children had been abducted interstate and they were now rejecting me. And I was unsure as to why or what I had done, for my children to be hateful or fearful towards me. And during like the court process, I, started to search online and, why is my child hating me? Why is my child rejecting me? And things like that. And I, there just wasn't a lot of information. And then it wasn't until a counsellor said to me, it was actually a court ordered handover. And she said to me, this is a textbook parental alienation case. And I had no idea. I never heard of it. I thought, alienation, you know what alienation is, parental, put it together, and that kind of makes sense. And she said, look, just get online and just try and Google, try use Google Scholar, see what you can find. And as I started to find things, I found some of Amy Baker's work. And that was the big starting point was some of the signs seen in the child, you know. And it was like kind of ticking boxes, I was like, yep, all these. But then when I started to read a little bit more, I started to sort of have this feeling of this is really familiar. Like I've experienced this before, but as in being the child. And so that's when I was kind of like a little bit not a little bit actually, quite in conflict because I was like, wow, this happened to me when I was young and it's happening to my children and I didn't understand it.